rewind how we started from the back and we ended to the front. Now we got it, and everything reciprocal. I was broke, I was ridiculed. Now I'm straight living, good times for new beginnings. Popping bottles with cuter women. Said a deuce, shorty feeding for some deuce. She just trying to ride this new wave. She just.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I'm back again with another banger. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe, promote if you can. And I know I've been getting attacked because I've been forgetting this. Let's shout out my Alpha Generals, Generalettes, Alpha Male and Alpha Females in the building. You heard what I got here for y'all today. What I got here for y'all today is a nice Cuban moissanite ring by Icegiant. Yeah, I said it, Icegiant. Now, without further ado, let's get to the video. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D, and I'm back again with another banger. Like I said in the intro, what I got here for y'all today is a nice Cuban ring moissanite by Icegiant. You know what I mean? Without further ado, you know what I mean? Let's get to it. Now, as y'all see, it comes in with this nice gift bag here with Icegiant. Pretty decent, you know what I mean? Y'all see the logo. I know y'all heard of Icegiant, and I know y'all know they push Cuban Nose, and everybody follows Cuban Nose, you know what I mean? Cuban Nose, another YouTuber. He does a lot of Icegiant stuff. I believe he's sponsored by them, but whatever the case, you know what I mean? He's heavy on them, and I got myself a nice ring from them. So without further ado, let's get to it. Like I said, this thing is a moissanite ring, you feel me? And I must say, I ordered this not too long ago, like Friday or Saturday, and it already came today. I assumed that it was going to come a lot later, and here we are, you feel me? So it comes in this bubble wrap plastic, and y'all already know how I feel about the plastic. Plastic always going to be the option, so we're going to throw that to the side for 2 seconds, and let's get to the piece at hand, or to the ring at hand, rather. Let's open this up. Oh, I'm bugging out. Boom. Bam, there it goes. Y'all see it. Moissanite ring, you know what I mean? 925 sterling silver. And, you know what I mean? This is what it comes in, this plastic capsulated case. I'm kind of feeling this new little look, you know what I mean? I'm not sure how long this has been out. You know what I'm saying? I know a few other companies got it, but I'm kind of feeling this little capsulated look thing, you know what I mean? Tell me what y'all think about this, man. This is a dope little new kind of presentation, at least for me. You know what I mean? So let's open it up. Oh, just popped out. Bam. There it goes, man. There it goes, man. I'm feeling this, man. I am feeling this, man. Before we go in on the ring, let me make sure if there's anything in the box, because y'all see me getting hype, you feel me? But there goes the ring itself. So before we go in about the ring, let's put that to the side. Let's see what comes in the box. Seems like a little cleaning cloth. Let's open this up. Y'all know this plastic is a pest. So we got to always rip through this plastic. It comes with a nice cleaning cloth, microfiber cleaning cloth to clean the ring itself. Let's pick it up and let's get back to this ring though, man. Tell me what y'all think of this, man. And as y'all see, it got the 925 sterling silver stamp all in that thing, man. 2 carat, you know what I mean? 2 point, you know what I mean? 9.7 carat, which is, well, basically almost 3 carat ring. You feel me? That thing is crazy. And y'all saw the 925 stamp. Look at this thing, man. Matter of fact, I should turn my light down just a little bit, just so y'all could get a better, clearer focus on that thing, man. This thing hits, man. I'm not gonna lie. This thing hits. You know what I mean? I don't know what y'all think about this thing, man. This is the, you know what I mean, Cuban moissanite ring by Icegiant, man. I'm excited about this thing. It came way quicker than I assumed. You know what I mean? The stones on this thing. The stones are, I don't want to say small, or maybe they're just big with the prongs. But nevertheless, man, it feels very sturdy. It feels like a very good quality ring. You feel me? And y'all see the stamps in there. It tells you the carat. It shows you the 925 silver. You know what I mean? You can't knock this thing, man. Stamped and certified. 925 sterling silver. Gives you the carat count. You You feel me? And Ice Giant logo in the ring. So stamped and certified. You feel me? Now I know what y'all want to know, right? Hey, yo, Stevie D, man. How much is that thing? That thing looking crazy. Well, I will have y'all know. Another reason why this ring is dope to me, because not only does it look dope to me, you know what I'm saying? With the prong set moissanites and it's a Cuban ring, you know what I mean? The price is actually not that bad. The price going for this was $211. At least that's what I paid. You feel me? They had a 20% off. I paid $211 for this ring, which is not a bad purchase. And guess what? Guess what? Something else y'all might want to know. They also use the Sezzle app, in which way you make your first initial payment, and after the first initial payment, off your product goes. You feel me? So that's another benefit. And to my surprise, like I said to y'all before, they got, discounts for their moissanite products, which you don't really see from other sites. When it comes to the moissanite, they really don't give you too much of a discount, but this site does. Ice Giant, man, good looking. I like the ring. I like the quality of the ring. And if y'all stay to the end, man, y'all will see me shine test and diamond test, man. 211, 925 sterling silver. This ring right here is a size 8.5. It fits my pinky darn near perfect, you know what I mean? Something I could see myself flossing in. I like it. Y'all tell me if y'all like it. If y'all don't, if y'all do, you know what I mean? And y'all let me know if this is something y'all will rock. Is the price too high? Is the price too low? Or do you think the quality is not that great? You feel me? So go check out Ice Giant, man. They got discounts going on right now on all of their products. And they've been extending their moissanite line like crazy. They got earrings. They got pendants. They got even moissanite chains I haven't seen before. You feel me? So go check them out, man. Ice Giant, man. Go check them out. Ain't much more to say about this thing, man. 1, 2, 3. I'm out. Okay, guys. What I got here for y'all right now is the shine test by Ice Giant's moissanite Cuban ring. What you see right now is just the diamond testing. It's a prong set ring, so you hit a lot of metal. The stones are a fair size, but you see it eventually hits. So it does hit, man. Certified. And right here is the on finger profile. I'm out.